World War II, the deadliest global conflict, a clash of ideologies, a breeding ground for innovation. Necessity, they say, is the mother of invention. Never was this truer than during World War II. Scientists and engineers pushed boundaries. They explored radical ideas. They sought unconventional solutions. The results? Weapons so strange, so bizarre, they seem ripped from science fiction. Imagine this: giant wooden wheels, packed with explosives, hurtling towards enemy lines. These were not just any wheels, they were part of a daring and innovative plan to break through the formidable defenses that the Germans had set up along the beaches of Normandy during World War II. This was the Great Panjandrum, a British weapon. Conceived in the heat of war, it was an ambitious project aimed at turning the tide in favor of the Allies. The idea was simple yet bold. Create a weapon that could roll over obstacles and detonate with devastating effect, designed to breach German defenses on the beaches of Normandy. 2 rockets, strapped to the sides. These rockets were intended to provide the necessary thrust to propel the wheel forward at high speeds, smashing through barbed wire, mines, and other obstacles. Propelled this monstrous wheel forward. The concept was to create a rolling juggernaut that could clear a path for the invading forces. It was a marvel of wartime engineering, a testament to the ingenuity and desperation of the times. At least, that was the plan. Tests proved unpredictable. The Panjandrum often behaved erratically, its rockets sometimes firing unevenly or failing altogether. The weapon's performance in trials was far from reliable. The Panjandrum was prone to veering off course, sometimes even exploding prematurely. These issues made it a dangerous and unreliable tool on the battlefield. The unpredictability of its behavior meant that it could not be trusted in the heat of combat. Ultimately, it never saw combat. A testament to ambition. The Great Panjandrum remains a fascinating footnote in the history of military innovation, a symbol of the lengths to which nations will go in times of war, and the unpredictable nature of war. The story of the Panjandrum is a reminder that even the most well-conceived plans can go awry, and that the chaos of war often defies human ingenuity and control. Pigeons, messengers of peace? Not in World War II. American behaviorist B.F. Skinner trained pigeons to guide bombs. Pigeons placed in a missile's nose cone. They pecked at targets. A guidance system. The Project Pigeon was promising, but deemed unreliable, and too outlandish. The project was scrapped. The pigeons grounded. The Bat Bomb, bringing the night. A unique and unconventional weapon designed during World War II. Bats, creatures of the night, silent and elusive. But could they be agents of destruction? The United States military thought so. In the midst of the war, they were looking for innovative ways to gain an advantage. They developed the Bat Bomb. Bats, small and agile, were equipped with tiny incendiary devices. The plan? Drop thousands of these bats over Japanese cities at dawn. As the bats sought shelter in buildings, the devices would ignite, causing widespread fires. The tests were promising, showing potential for massive destruction and chaos. However, despite the promising results, the project was eventually canceled. The reasons were complex, involving logistical challenges and shifting priorities. Ultimately, the development of the atomic bomb overshadowed the Bat Bomb project. The sheer destructive power of the atomic bomb rendered other experimental weapons obsolete. The Bat Bomb faded into the annals of history, a curious footnote in the story of World War II. The acoustic radar. Sounding out the enemy. Before radar, there was sound, used to detect enemy aircraft. Large concrete structures, built along coastlines, acted as acoustic mirrors. They amplified the sound of approaching aircraft, giving early warning of attacks. effective in their day but quickly rendered obsolete by radar technology. The V3 cannon, a supergun with global ambitions. Nazi Germany, obsessed with superweapons. The V3 cannon, their audacious attempt, a multi-chambered cannon, spanning hundreds of feet, designed to fire projectiles over vast distances. Its target? London. A symbol of Allied resistance, the V3 cannon, a technical marvel, yet plagued by problems, never achieved its full potential. World War II, a period marked by unprecedented technological advancements and strategic innovations. A testament to human ingenuity. Engineers and scientists worked tirelessly, pushing the limits of what was thought possible, both for good and for ill. These strange weapons. Some were groundbreaking, changing the course of battles. Some successful, some not. Each experiment, each test, was a step into the unknown, pushed the boundaries of technology. From radar to jet engines, the innovations were numerous and impactful. They serve as a reminder. Warfare is constantly evolving. Strategies and technologies that were once cutting edge become obsolete. And the future of warfare. As we look ahead, we see the potential for even more dramatic changes, is likely to be just as unpredictable as the past. The lessons learned from history guide us, but the future remains a vast, uncharted territory.